Please keep it at the back of your mind. Don't forget. Don't forget. I think all of you, based on the rating you have done, you have all tried. You have tried very, very well. So I can say more this to your elbows. Thank you very much for the good effort you have put. We are going to copy this method. This assessment will do it on the other one. So you are the pioneers of this.
Thank you, the church clinical instructors. She's the church clinical instructors as well as the level of unity director, Ministry of Health. Here with us, acting in charge female medical work, 2IC, female surgical and other fellow staff, my students, once again, good morning. We are happy to hear such a comment from all the supervisors that came here this morning. At the same time, comments from our colleagues who has also went through our products in the markets. And we are also happy to hear such a comment and the mistakes we have received. No one is perfect, and we all understand that we always learn from our mistakes. So let's all the corrections, be taken as a mistake against subsequent future exams and other supervision like this to be corrected. And we are also to thank the management of State Specialist Hospital Bombay for honoring our program, which is one of the first in the history of State Specialist Hospital. Being part of the pioneer of this is not that I'm more perfect than any other person. We are all equal and we learn the same, only that we were not opportune to have such a things like this. And God, by God's grace, God has also made it possible. And we wish all the CIs and other units can also pick it from here. As you have heard her saying, I am sure, based on how she used to handle all the activities of the CI, I know she will ensure everything is done in all units. And based on your performance we have received from them, when you look at it, most of you, no one of you that has a very low score or price. It goes from $100, $90, $80. That shows an indication of all of you have done the best. So for that, you always have to understand that you have to keep it up. Even if you are not in my role or you are not in so person's role, wherever you find yourself, this activity, the way you are, it shows interest to learn, put it into consideration. Whether somebody is teaching you more than how we are doing it, or somebody is teaching you less than how we do it here, do it the way you have almost started from the other first word you have attended. So we also thank you once again, Ma. And for that, Ma, I want to also use this opportunity based on how they cooperate with me, because I'm taking this day as my final or last day with them for this posting. And I'm going to use this opportunity to give all of them one incentive that will serve as a remembrance, and for them to keep on jotting those important points in calculation. So please let me use this opportunity to present this, and I want my church to be part of the time. So please, cameraman, come. You are done. I hope the thing is very clear, right? Thank you so much, ma'am. And we also invite you to chat. Thank you so much. I also honored to be here. I also honored to be here.